And what with all the rumours going round, could it be that Luke the Drifter's back in town?
You've been on a bit of a roller coaster trip with country music over the last wee while.
I have, yeah. I've been in Nashville, which was a big highlight. You know, I was writing with some of the best writers in Nashville, and I'm doing that every week now through Skype and all, and I'm planning to get back over there very soon as well.
And what's the big plan now? What's the dream ticket at this stage?
Well, I would love to be a touring songwriter. You know, that's where my heart really, really is, you know, and write the old style country songs.
And tell me this, see that voice you have?
Yeah.
Have you always had that, or have you had to work on that style?
No, I've been lucky that it just seems to be there.
It's
you know.
phenomenal, absolutely unbelievable.
Thank you very much.
TG Cahir in for a treat an teachtain seo ar opera le Jordan Mogi agus go leor Ella ar Ardain, our young rising stars.